Welcome to RaceToyTime!
Hey guys, RaceToyTime here. Today we're going to have Christmas at the farm. Now let's put some animals in the farm. Here's some cows, a pony, a horse, a foal, a donkey, a sheep, and a few lambs, a goat, a kid or a baby goat, a hen, a rooster, another hen, and baby chickens or chicks. Here's a duck, a bunny, a guinea pig, and another guinea pig. Here's a kitten, a cat, and another kitten. Pigs, and a puppy. Now let's feed the animals. Here's a tractor delivering hay for the animals.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Santa Claus brought some gifts for the farmers. Let's open the gifts. Oh, a guitar. This is cool. This guitar is for him. Oh, he's happy with his guitar. Now let's open some more gifts. Oh, this is so cute, a teddy bear. Ooh, we got a table, tennis paddles. Oh, we got a toy car. Bye-bye, Santa Claus. Thanks for the gifts. Oh, there's an elf and he got some toys. They're animal toys. We have a camel, a lion, a camel, elephant, a zebra, a rubber duck, and a rhinoceros. These are very cute. Here's another elf and he got a sack full of toys. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we got a toy boat, a trumpet, and a toy seal. Now everybody got their gifts. Well, I hope you guys enjoy our Playmobil Christmas at the farm video. And thank you so much for subscribing and watching our videos here at RaceToyTime channel. Merry Christmas, everyone!